hour in the afternoon. Waves 1 to 1.5 feet. Highs 113 to 118. Tonight, mostly clear. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, shifting to the southeast after midnight. Waves 1 to 1.5 feet. Lows near 90. Thursday, sunny. West winds up to 10 miles per hour, shifting to the south in the Forecast office in Las Vegas, Nevada. This system is used to provide warnings and essential safety information during emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency, you would receive official information, news, or instructions from the station. This concludes the weekly test of the Southern Nevada Emergency Alert System. The forecast for Boulder Basin.